best starting no. There was sika you try for ejumedie no. First of all, se ni enim se ye nya sika fan start ejumedie na ye kwaje ekura ye dey.
Okay.
Why take it in the first place?
Okay. So you see enya aban we ana ekwaje hosting right.
Mekai aban
the previous government. But aban we buy, rich one kada se obehwe ni sikasem mu no ontimi enkosoa enhosti. In fact, as a matter of principles, yet I can simply say ube inherit a company which you both inherit the assets and the liabilities, Nti aban we buy, even though you want to start say the procedure say you pursue host the African Championship, that is the reason why in some trouble can point to the fact say there have been a 40 million Ghana cedis budgets agreed for this competition. Now, Metier Ora Bawa Fuseni, Metier Yenyapeni Osesibi, who is the deputy for the Athletic Association. Sa oka omun samno fuane bomwa. Eye nyoma mienu na aye hayen. Di kan. Budgeta ya agree say de be ye dwumadie we no. Say ye release sika no e de aba no. Problem. And Rich, the moment ye release sika a budget for a certain program, ebe delayed and I say ebe back and forth, it affects everything planning.
Sure.
And
Until
say they couldn't do a test run. And for instance, you procure poll vote polls. You procure timers. You procure way. You do weba. Sanyo mano, Rich. Competitions na where ani so I come. They do a test run of these things.
That's what I'm saying.
Juma kama.
Yes. Oh, ha ni di biaba.
Ebekwa na ye nyenyi Tijuana fe jasu ni akofa biaba so chale de abaye fix na pum yen ko afa ye test ya whether ye adwumo enya adwumo na akofa nsem bebre aba. Na unim. You see, sometimes if you are so careful na untuja yes they draw conclusion easily na you get some section of the listeners who say oh Mike boss it. Look, within the last 2 days some of our colleagues are the All African Games, budget, they were saying it was too much. They think that organization, based on Sike Uremuno, a very, very well standard organized competition. Let me say, if I was supposed to be a normal listener, which is which?
We play double standard.
Which is which? And Rich, Maminka se mwenjato. Ghana haohu. Ye chimutanya. The structure of ye biya o memu ebiano. Rich, ewo a certain level of deficiency. Ghana ha it Rich. Enoma nkwenye sao. Enunti. Se ye mo obi tumi biya se ondi bibi animu. Rich, I am telling you, the person will go through a lot of challenges to make the necessary impact expectations. That is why me Ayala, the beer meka wo radio, so meka wo TV, so meka wo any media platform. I say, as a Ghanaian, exercise a little bit of decorum. Never go for the benefit of the doubt when they are exercising their power. Because, Rich, and you will be any to do say, obeji to me, no they are failure. But sometimes, when you are confronted with the issue, na utsewa ɛna wo sani asɛm ne sitie sɛ wo tinkyɛn a o dress say ye na wo betena condition mu ye tik dem wa condition bobo ha kra e be 5 na e chile you don't face any heater one way the way you conclude and bash and comfort as if omunim di omuye omunim nyansa they are omunye competent at anything. Wait until you get there. Wait until obeko.
Because imagine say sports minister. Oh, I mean menye sure say obepe say anke ni yedi komo na sa fiasco we.
You want one of the best competitions. You want one of the best. Yenya ya opofo ankra yenya verdica komi money ade. Look at uko social media crowd. People are bringing their past commentaries on their media. Omu debate, omu ye demonstration, making pronouncement as if say Obi are incompetent. They have all the ideas in the world. Now you are being put into power. You are being confronted by the real issues day to day. You see the results. And then you think say you are so comfortable you can bash. In your countryman songo. Look at the day our year about Ghana League go air time say when he was giving Kotoko job to in charge of promotions and branding. Ya hire no bebu Kotojo pa cha say sansem na okarinya because he knew was coming back. How many supporters was he able to canvass for the Kotoko team tamo? Look, it is so easy to criticize people. So easy to raise issues and things say but when you get into a position of power now for the real issues they bow table now you are supposed to deal with it a hope and then who send me a city because Ghana and Germany rich Ghana and US where fundamentally you should send your man to set you up for success. And see, with a little competence and effort, you get things done. No, Rich, me say, me kai when after 2014 World Cup, time at the fiasco of Commission of Inquiry, a crowd betray. One day I was working with Ultimate FM. Then the then sports minister, Evisefi Ankra, he came on our show. In any interview, you could see that he was reserved with a lot of answers. Behind the scenes, he interviewed off air. And I'm saying, he seems to have as a nimuno, a yaw kesibu nimua, on Timin cow microphone nim about their tone as a sports minister then. Unmaswakai. I say, in all honesty, he feels say he was sabotaged by his own people. Inti blaster si pesca o Brazil. Sikano ya puvi budget dadampa asano muko. The money has been released. Send ye be your munsa bekano. Obisu so ewo mfimfia. Or block it on. So there's a normal bit delay na no. Any those things. Rich. Se unko mua. Unim die wom.
Eventually umra na. Yabeto aso so 4.5 pamcho ya basisi ana yabeto aso